Well, hello everyone. Thanks for joining me. As you know, I got a new 6-axle locomotive last week, and I've run into a problem on this side of the layout. Apparently, my radius is too tight, and the engine stays on the track just fine, but I have problems with the couplers, as I'm going to show you here right now. And I did a little bit of research and came up with a possible solution that I want to share with you. Hopefully, that will give you something to think about and look into. So I appreciate you sitting along with me as I explore this opportunity. Okay, you saw the problem I was trying to address here. I'm at the workbench, and I did a little bit of research. Came up with this Katie number 146. It's got a longer shank. It's got a 25/64 shank, which is about an eighth of an inch longer than the standard 9/16, I think it is, that the number 5 is. So the research tells me the 146 is like the number 5, only with the longer shank. So I'm planning on switching out both of the Katie couplers that I've put on this unit, upgrading it from the cheap plastic ones that come with the engine. And we're going to see how this works. The one thing I will say, I'll just kind of show this as we're walking through it, is that I love the way the coupler boxes are designed on these scale trains. It is so much better, easier than an Atlas. They just kind of pop out, pop back in without a whole lot of effort. So I'm going to share this with you. They just slide out. I mean, that is just such a good thing. These here are whiskers, so I won't need that brass spring. Good Lord, they're closed these up. Anyway, I picked these up at Lombard Hobbies. And of course, like usual, they showed up in no time at all. So that's always been a good thing for me. And we're going to go ahead and switch these out. As you can see, they're quite a bit longer than the regular number 5s, which should give enough play for this to work. I'm going to go ahead and switch these out. If you've never switched one out before, this hopefully will be something that brings value to you. If you have, sorry, you can skip ahead to see if it actually works or not, and we'll go from there. Wow, bragging about it, and then the first time it does this to me. Will stick out quite a bit farther than the old number 5s do. So hopefully this works. And as you can see, switching these out was no problem at all. I even did it right for, I think, the first time in my life, to where I've got them pointing the correct direction. All right, we've got them ready to go. Let's go back to the layout and see if this works. All right, we're back at the layout. Spoiler alert, it did work. I've tested it on 60-foot box cars, 35,000 gallon tank cars, 7,000 cubic feet chip hoppers, 4-bay, 3-bay, 2-bay hoppers. They work, but I want to show it to you just to prove that these KD146s are fixing the problem. Well, going the right direction. It allows me to put this engine on this side of the layout. I was afraid I was going to have to relegate it over to the other side, but I've been able to do it in slow speeds, long speeds, fast speeds, and it works now. So I wanted to share these results with you. Hopefully this brings value to you, and if it do, please drop me a comment. Tell me what you think. If you already knew this, tell me about that too. It was something new for me, but I wanted to share it. Again, hopefully it brought you some value. And please like, subscribe, but more importantly, thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I appreciate the time that you've given. Have a great rest of your day.